Hey YouTube gun people, has your fiber optic front sight been getting you down? Is she just not as bright as she used to be? Are you looking for a little bit more sparkle in the relationship? Well, the fact of the matter is, after a while, you gotta replace the fiber optic. Weapon's been checked off camera. So let's get to this. This happens to be a, I believe it's a Dawson front sight. Now you can see here. Let me get a pointer. There's a little notch right here. So first we're going to do is remove this fiber optic. This is mind-numbingly easy. See that little notch? All it is a place where you can guide a razor blade down. So go out and spend you need to spend at least $500 or $600 on a tactical razor blade. Otherwise, nobody will think you're cool and nobody will watch your videos. And all you're going to do now is, let's zoom right in. Just take your front sight, take your razor knife, and all I'm going to do is cut down that slot. I know my hand's going to be in the way, so let's do it this way. I'm going to cut down on this slot. Okay. Just cut it. So I cut the fiber optic, and I'm going to remove it. You just push it out of the ends. You know, it just comes out. This is it's a great background color choice. It's red fiber optic on red. So let's get rid of this, being the genius that I am. And then just take it out, push it out. Now I wanted to mention something, and I forgot to mention this actually. Measure the diameter of your front sight with your micrometer before you go and do this, so you get the right one. They're not all the same. This one happens to be a .040 fiber optic from, again, Brownells. It's pretty much where I get all my gun parts. Get whatever color you like. I'm going to happen to use red. Now, for you math people and fans of the metric system, what does .040 equal in millimeters? I bet you Stripey McCatpuss would know that. Alright, so what you need to do is actually, before you even get started, make sure the end of the fiber is cut nice and straight. So you can just do that with your $500 tactical razor knife. And I mean, you know, at least $500. You can get them on really awesome things like blade forums, where everyone's a genius and knows better than anyone else could ever know. I don't like to slam forums, but I hate blade forums. I think it's a bunch of idiots. Anyway, if you disagree with me, I'm sorry. So now hold your flame kind of close to the fiber. Yeah, not on the fiber. And it'll start to melt. Yeah. And you'll get to the point where it'll form like a sort of a round piece that you can pull in, and will keep it from falling out, right? Now all you do is keep your finger on that end, cut the fiber optic on the other end, and just, you know, fairly close. You don't have to take it off the gun to do this. You should use a clean tool though. Fairly close, like so. That's probably a little bit too long, so I'll come back here with a finer tool and trim this up in a second. Yeah, like a finer tool, like a scissors, is a good idea. And again, just keep it pushed in, because all you're trying to do here is prevent this fiber optic from falling out. And again, just hold it real nice and close. That end will melt. You don't want to put the flame on it. You just want to keep the flame near it. You see what that looks like? Yeah? And that ain't going to go anywhere. That is balls in there. And real nice. Simple to do. Let's see if I can show you what this looks like down the barrel. Shut this light off, you might be able to see it a little bit better. Nice bright fiber optic. That's how you change your fiber optic, folks. Have a good one.